River State Park, one of the largest in the state of Minnesota, contains 7,000 acres of hardwood forest, pine forest, meadows, oak savanna, and 300 acres of remnant prairie astride 18 miles of frontage on the St. Croix National Scenic Riverway. From cities of the northern suburbs, Wild River is only a 50-minute trip to one of the most beautiful state parks in Minnesota. The park is located just 3 miles north of Omland, along the rolling hills of the St. Croix Valley. The St. Croix River was one of the original scenic riverways in the United States, established by federal legislation in 1968. The park is habitat for a variety of animals, including deer, raccoon, fox, beaver, gray squirrel, river otter, and mink. A great number of birds, from great horned owls and bald eagles to chickadees, woodpeckers, cardinals, and many others are found in the park. Dave Crawford is the Wild River State Park naturalist.
Wild River to me is a big adventure. There's a lot of exploration to do. There's a tremendous land base, a tremendous historical perspective, the real broad diversity of habitat and species. So to me it's kind of an unending adventure. The future for Wild River, I think, is real positive. It's a park that is well liked. Our users, our visitors, are people who are very aware of the importance of the park and of the resources in the park. We're really glad to have them here. We have a lot of excellent partnerships with park users, and I think that that'll continue. I see the park as being always working with the community, always working with the people that come to visit us, and always being a place that's receptive to them and offers a lot to them.
Of Wild River State Park board member Barb Nelson is a strong advocate of the park's natural beauty.
Why do we, as Friends of Wild River State Park, think it is such a special place? Many people have commented that it is one of the best kept secrets of the state park system. Well, we would like to share this best kept secret with all of you. Because Wild River is committed to a concept of wilderness, one is able to find solitude and tranquility, to observe birds and animals freely, to walk over land in its primitive state. Spring is welcomed at the park with the tapping of maple trees. Families and many others help in the cooking down of the sap and carry away a good supply of maple syrup for their breakfast pancakes. Seguin is the celebration of spring in May and presents activities and programs varying from fur trade encampments to what's wild at Wild River. Summer arrives with camping, horseback riding, canoeing, fishing, hiking, and special programs and exhibits all season long. Fall is beautiful at Wild River, and activities become even more pleasurable when the air is crisp, the insects have disappeared, and the landscape goes from the heavy enclosure of summer green to the spaciousness and vibrant colors of autumn. Moonlight skiing on a cold, crisp January or February night under a full moon is memorable. Come share with us a Wild River experience.
Manager Chuck Kartak oversees park operations.
Wild River truly has the best of both worlds. In addition to just being an hour's drive from the Twin City metro area, Wilderness Park awaits you of 7,000 acres. So come on up and partake of the natural, cultural, and recreational resources in the beautiful St. Croix River Valley.